I'm Ashley Hawk, and welcome here to my kitchen. It's my favorite room of the house, and I'm so excited to be able to talk to you today about childhood nutrition. While many of us know a small child, what you might not know is their brain is developing more from ages 0 to 3 than in any other time of their life, which is why it's so important to make sure we're feeding them properly to support that growth. And today we have 3 simple tips to help you do that. Tip number 1 is be prepared to serve a new food 15 to 20 times before your child is willing to accept it. Tip number 2 is don't be afraid to ditch the fork and try a new and fun utensil. You can get creative, as your child's gonna love being able to find new ways that they can practice feeding themselves. And tip number 3 is get your children involved. Whether it's inviting them into the kitchen with you so they can help prep or play around with some of the vegetables, or sitting down and enjoying a small meal with them. They look up to you and they want to do what you're doing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed these tips to encourage your children to eat more foods that are going to support their brain growth and development.